So hi, my name is Josephus Tan. I'm the defense lawyer for Miss Fu Liping, the mother involved in Megan Kong's case. Initially, both Mr. Wong Shi-xiang and Miss Fu Liping, they were facing an offense of murder, upon conviction punishable by death or life imprisonment. They have no means to engage a lawyer. And that was also one of the reasons why the mother reached out to me, because she read about the previous cases I did. I did a lot of pro bono cases in the past. She has always maintained that position, that regardless of the outcome, there will be no appeal. She accepts it wholeheartedly when the abuses were ongoing. Both Mr. Wong Shi-xiang and herself, and this is undisputed, they were on drugs. But of course, subsequently, when they were remanded in prison, of course, they have no access to drugs. They sober up. Things can be put into perspective. And that was really where we saw the real Fu Liping, the real mother in her. Ultimately, as a criminal defense lawyer, well, this is my own personal opinion, I think it's very important to demarcate a line between your emotions and your professional judgment. On one hand, we are looking at the very sober version of Fu Liping, and on the other end, confronted with the legal facts, we saw a very cruel mother who did that to her own daughter. I can understand the anger, the frustration, the disappointment. A lot of people around me, friends, family members, they told me, they said that, even an animal wouldn't do that to its own. So why would a biological mother do that to her own child? I mean, there's no excuse for what they did, for what she did. But I will still say this, that she came from a bad place. We understand that, the public, members of the public, they are angry. Rightfully so. These are fair questions and these are fair judgments. I always believe hurt people. And that is really the fundamental root of the problem. The one I really got it bad, in a way, was 2017 when I handled Annie East's case. So when that case broke the news, it really shook the nation. So I heard that, there have been people writing to the press to petition against me, to petition against the law. And subsequently, when I handled Fu Liping's case, I knew deep down that it will actually provoke the nation. I defended the worst of the worst, from murderers to rapists to pedophiles, cheaters, liars, robbers, thieves, gangsters. The commonality of them all is this: hurt people, hurt people.